ओके, अस्सलाम वालेकुम क्लास। है ना? हाँ, अस्सलाम वालेकुम क्लास। वेलकम टू SM Public Academy Campus 5. This is your math subject, class 3, and I am your teacher, Mrs. Sana Rais. Hope you have completed your previous work of the topic chapter money and revision number worksheet number 7. So now we will further continue the revision chapter money, and now our topic is conversion of units of money. Conversion of units of money. Here you can see how we convert the rupees into paisa. Here we will learn how to convert the rupees into paisa. As we all know that the currency of the Pakistani currency is called rupees and paisa. The Pakistani currency is called rupees and paisa. And the unit of rupees is S, and the unit of paisa is P. Here we learn how to convert the rupees into paisa. So, what we will do? We will convert rupees to and paisa to paisa only. Just remove the point and change the unit of rupees to paisa. We have learned in the previous lecture that how we convert. We just remove the point and we change the unit of rupees to paisa. Okay.
Yes.
Here you can see these are the examples of rupees, and what we are supposed to do, we will convert these rupees into paisa. We will convert these rupees into paisa. Here you can see rupees 1 is given here, and what we will do, we will just remove the point from here, and we will write here 100, and in place of rupees we will write here P. In place of rupees we will write here P.
P. P. Yes.
Now here you can see rupees 4.00. Rupees 4.00. What we will do, we will just remove the decimal and we will write here 400, and in place of rupees we will write here P. We will write the unit of paisa. We will write here P. The P is the unit of paisa. Now here the third example, 67.89. 67.89. What we are supposed to do, we will convert this rupees 67.89 to paisa. And what we have learned, that we just remove the point. So here we will just remove the point from here between the numbers 7 and 8. Between the 7 and 8 there is a decimal point. So we will just remove this point and we will write here 6, 7, 8, 9. And after the numbers we will write the unit of paisa, P. Okay. So now it had become paisa, 6,709 paisa. Okay, beta, got it?
Yes.
Now,
Miss
come
last
to
is
the fourth
90.87.
example,
That
rupees
75 is
3.45. Rupees 3.45. What we will do, we will just remove the decimal between the numbers and write here 345, and then we will write the unit of paisa. Okay. In the same way, what we will do in the last example, rupees 90.87 is equals to, we will remove the decimal, 90875 paisa. Okay, 90875 paisa. Now we have learned that how to convert the rupees into paisa. Now we will see how to convert the paisa into rupees. In the previous slide, we will learn that how to convert the rupees into paisa. Now here we will learn how to convert the paisa into rupees. To convert paisa into rupees, and paisa, start from the right, count two numbers to the left, then put a point. Remember, listen carefully. To convert paisa into rupees and paisa, start from the right. What we will do, we will start from the right. Then we will count two numbers to the left. After starting from the right, we will count the two numbers from the left side. Okay. Then put a point. Then we will put a point. We'll put a decimal. Okay. See, here is the example. 679 paisa. 679 paisa. So what we will do, we will start from the right side. We will start from the right side. Then we will count two numbers to the left. 1, 2. And after two numbers to the left, we will place the decimal. So here we get rupees 6.79. We will get here 6.79. And as we have converted this paisa into rupees, so here we will write the unit of rupees before the numbers. Okay, remember that we write the unit of rupees before numbers and we write the unit of paisa after numbers. Okay, beta, got it? Now, come to example number 2. Here, 1,234 paisa. 1,234 paisa. So what you will do? You will start from the right hand side. Count two numbers to the left. So here 1, 2. After counting two numbers to the left, we will place the decimal here between the numbers 2 and 3. We will place the decimal between the numbers 2 and 3. So it becomes 12.34. After writing 12.34, we will write the unit of rupees. Okay? Here. before the numbers. Now come to example number 3. 6,700 paisa. 6,700 paisa. So you can see here, start from the right hand side, count 2 numbers to the left, 1, 2. After counting 2 numbers to the left, we will place the decimal. So here the decimal we place in between 7 and 0. So we get the answer 67.00. And we will write the unit of rupees RS. Okay. We will write the unit of rupees before the number. Then come to the last examples. 78,965 paisa. So what you will do? Start from the right, count 2 numbers to the left. Here, after counting 2 numbers to the left, we will place the decimal in between 9 and 6. We will place the number between 9 and 6. So we get the answer here 789.65. We get the answer here 789.65. After writing the decimal, we will write the unit rupees before the number, because we are supposed to convert the numbers, convert the paisa into rupees. Here the question is convert these paisa into rupees. Okay, beta, got it? Everybody got it? Tell me in the chat box if you have any problem, so I could explain you again.
Miss from Manahir. Miss
Yes,
आपने जो
Fiza, and what about others?
मिस फर्स्ट क्लास में जो आपने वो काम करवाया था उसकी आप
Yes, Zoha, and what about others? What about the boys?
मिस कॉपी
Here
में
are the
करना है
boys, beta.
हम हफ्सा
No one is telling me the answer.
मिस कॉपी में करना है मुझे कॉपी में करना है
So now,
मुझे कॉपी में करना है क्या
come to your copy work. Come to your copy work. Take out your copy.
मिस आपकी आवाज बहुत
Take out
डबल
your
आ
index
रही है
page and write index first. Write
मिस
index
आपकी आवाज
first.
डबल आ रही है यस टीचर वॉइस इज डबल यस टीचर someone
So
saying
here in index, what you will write? Worksheet number
मिस आपकी
8.
आवाज डबल आ रही
Worksheet
है
number 8. Because in the previous chapter we have done worksheet number 8 of chapter 16. Now we will do the worksheet number 8. Before number 7 you have written the chapter name. Now no need to write the chapter name again and again. Okay, just write the
आपकी
worksheet
आवाज
number
डबल
8.
आ रही है
Worksheet number 8.
Teacher, your voice is not clear.
Here worksheet number 8, you can first of all you will write name, CW and day, name, CW and day. Then you will write the heading revision worksheet number 8. You will write the heading revision worksheet number 8. Then Write the question number 1. Convert these into paisa only. Convert these into paisa only.
Teacher, your voice double. Miss, your voice is double. You
Bit
say
number A,
into paisa.
58.20. Rupees 58.20.
Your voice is double. Miss, your voice is double. आपकी वॉइस बहुत डबल आ रही है.
What we will
Yes,
do
miss.
for
मिस सारे
this
बच्चों की
is
डबल आवाज
what
आ
I
रही है.
told you that just remove the
डबल
point
आवाज आ रही है.
between the numbers. Just
मिस
remove the
आपकी
point
सिंगल आवाज आ
just
रही है.
unit of repeat. What answer you will get?
मिस आपकी स्क्रीन नजर नहीं आ रही. डबल. मिस आपकी स्क्रीन नजर नहीं आ रही है. Your voice is double. मिस ने एंड कर दी क्लास. Not coming. मिस टीचर मेरी वर्कशीट 7 नहीं हुई हुई. हम डबल बोल रहे थे.
What answer you will get? Tell me in the chat box. That what is the answer of bit number A, 58.20. Yes. Who will tell me the answer?
मिस किसका आंसर बताना है? मिस 58 not 0.20. 20. टीचर मेरी वर्कशीट 7 नहीं
Who
हुई
will tell
हुई.
me the answer? That what is the answer of rupees 58.20? What we will do? We will just remove the point in between the numbers. From between the numbers, we will just
Teacher,
remove the
मेरी वर्कशीट.
point and we will write here.
इस साथ सबको मिला कर
5,820 paisa. 5,820 paisa. 5,820 paisa.
So your voice is double.
Yes, I want neat and clean writing, okay?
Where's your voice is double?
5,820 paisa.
It's your voice is double now, miss. Mute हो जाए.
Yes, now come to bit number B. 20
Miss, your voice is double.
rupees
I can't
20.75.
recording you.
Yes, beta.
Miss, मैं
Hafsa, what do you want to ask? Tell me, beta.
मिस your voice is बोलना चाह रही है कि आपकी वॉइस डबल आ रही है और मुझे भी डबल आ रही है. यस मिस डबल आ रही है.
अच्छा, अब आ रही है?
7 नहीं हुई हुई.
Now listen carefully.
इसलिए
Now listen carefully, beta. Here, rupees 20.75. Rupees 20.75.
voice is clear.
So what we will do here, we will just remove the point and we get the answer. 2,075. 2,075 paisa. Okay, beta, 2,075 paisa.
मिस मैंने क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 भी कर लिया.
Very nice.
Miss, I done my work all. Question number 1 and question.
So is it easy or difficult?
Easy.
Easy.
Very easy. It's so easy. Very easy.
Okay, beta. Now those who are doing their work, please keep quiet so they could do their work easily. Okay, don't disturb them. Now, come to question number 2. Convert these into rupees and paisa. Here the paisas are given, and what we are supposed to do, we will convert these paisa into rupees. Okay, we will convert these into rupees and paisa. So what we will do, we will start from the right. Start from the right. Count 2 digits to the left. Start from the right. Count 2 digits to the left. And then place decimal. Then place decimal. Here you can see, start from the right. Count 2 digits to the left. And after counting 2 digits to the left, write the decimal. So what you will answer, what you will get? Who will tell me the answer? Who will tell me the answer, beta? Yes, Hafsa, you want to tell me the answer? Yes, wait. Yes, Hafsa, unmute yourself and tell me the answer. Mohammed Ahmed. Mohammed Ahmed. Tell me the answer, beta. Yes, very nice, Alia. So the answer we get here, rupees 85.0504. What we do, we just start from the right, then we count 2 numbers to the left. So here 1, 2, after counting 2 numbers to the left, we put the decimal. We put the decimal here, okay? So we get the answer here. Rupees 85.04. Rupees 85